You are the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. I love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
I think I need to stop the camera and make out with my wife now. Hello, love everyone. Today we are making a loaded stir-fry rice. So I made this rice about 8 hours ago. You want your rice to be long grain rice. Works best for stir-fry. And also you don't want it to be freshly cooked. The best actually is day old rice works the best. So we're going to add shrimp. We're going to add Spam, of course. Some chopped garlic. Some spring onions or green onions. 4 scrambled eggs. I'm going to do that. Oyster sauce. Tamale, which is roasted soy sauce, and my secret ingredient, still cooking. Oh, pork belly. All right, we'll see when I start cooking. Faftai lava for everyone who subscribed in the last minute. The talking, the regular audio will start in about 30 seconds. There was just a lot of background noise with my wife playing Halo. But all right, just scrambling the eggs. Okay, it's starting to smoke a little bit, so let's put in the eggs. Not going to add any seasoning at this time. I'll wait till I get it all put together. Looking good. I hope I don't drop my my GoPro in the eggs. Oh, look at that. So when you're cooking on super high heat, you just keep everything moving really fast. And we're not going to cook all these eggs all the way through. They're actually going to cook through once we add the other ingredients and add this towards the end. Don't take long. Try to keep it light and fluffy if you can. Alright, let's put those aside. Alright, let me grab these. Now we're going to put in the pork belly. Woo! And let these crisp up. I think I'm also going to add the Spam now. Oh yeah. I wish you were here to smell it. It smells so nice. Alright, let that set a little bit before I flip it around. Alright, it's coming along nicely. Make that one a little smaller if I can. There we go. It's so tender I can cut it in half with plastic. Maybe this one too. There we go. Oh my gosh. This smells fantastic. I could eat it just like this. Okay, I'm going to add the chopped garlic now. With this dish, with stir fry, I don't mind if it gets a little burnt. It adds a great flavor to it. Let's stir that around. Wow, that cooks, that changes the aroma up to level 100, I'm telling you. The smells is fire. Alright. I did just turn the heat down to like medium. But I will turn it up high again later when I start cooking the rice. Alright, let's let it set for a few minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add the peeled shrimp that I peeled and pulled the tail off. There we go. Don't you just love that sound? Whoop, I'm losing one. He's trying to run away. Alright. We don't have to let those cook too long. Before I take this out of the pot, I'm going to add some cracked black pepper. Cracked black pepper makes stuff taste better than regular pepper any day of the week. Alright. Flip it one time too, and I'm going to dump it right here on this plate. I want to start cooking the rice with nothing in there first before I add this. Oops. Let me wipe this little bit of oil off so I don't catch fire in the house. There we go, and put it back on the heat. Alright, the pan's nice and hot. There's still some oil left in there, but I'm going to put a little bit of fresh olive oil. Olive oil burns really fast, so I don't want to wait too long. My hands are clean. I'm going to grab some of this long grain rice and start adding it to the pot. That's enough for now. So I let that set there a few minutes. Start getting a little crispy on the bottom. And I'm going to add a little oil all throughout it. Alright. Let's bring this closer and I'll start breaking it up some. See, if it was day old, it would have crumbled a lot further apart, but it'll still come apart. It's just day old rice works a lot better. Like I said, I made this about 8 hours ago. And we're going to add a little soy sauce to it. Oh, love that sound. And a little bit of oyster sauce. That should be enough. Alright, let me work on breaking up all these little clumps in here, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I just used a metal fork that helped me like break the clumps apart. It wasn't too hard to do. And I'm going to add a little more soy sauce around the edges. And I'm going to let that set there for a minute. My wife loved it when it's browned a little bit or crispy on the bottom. Alright, let's see how it's looking on the bottom. Oh, see that? It starts to get a little burnt, little crisp. That's the best part right there. Let's flip it a couple times. There we go. spread it out again so we get another flat surface at the bottom to do a little crisping. All right, we'll wait about 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat down to just like medium, and then I'm gonna start adding the ingredients. Let's check the bottom on this one. Oh yeah. Even just the rice itself smells great. So there's all our goodies. Woo. Add that in there. Stir it around. And now the eggs. And now we're going to add a little black pepper. A nice liberal dose. And some parsley. All right, let's keep flipping. Okay, now last thing is we're going to add the spring onion or green onion. Whatever you call it, it's still the same thing. And stir that around. Go ahead. It's done, and I'm going to turn it on low just to keep it warm because my wife's playing video games with my oldest daughter in North Carolina. My youngest one, like a lot of little kids, I'll show you. I just want rice and Spam. All right, my wife was having a great time playing Halo with my daughter and her husband. So she's finally done. We all the rest of us already ate. So I'm gonna take her stir fry with some nice chunks of pork belly on top. And since we already ate, I think I'll take this opportunity to interview my wife. You see how excited she is? She's super excited. Look at her face. Oh, I hope that smile don't crack her face. She's so happy. All right, Teine Samoa. Teine Samoa. Is that how you say it? Teine? Teine. Where were you born at? What island?
American Samoa.
That's Tutuila?
Mm-hmm.
And were you born at your Fale with your mom or somewhere else?
Hospital.
Oh, which one?
LBJ.
Oh, that's the only one?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. How do you like the pork fat with the stir-fry rice?
Good.
Like I said, she's super excited today. What game were you playing with Big Baby, our baby girl?
Halo.
Which one? The first one, second one?
You know, the infinite. Yeah, infinite.
Oh, I don't play games. My wife's really good at games. Is that the newest one?
Mm-hmm. It's a multiplayer one. And it's free.
Oh, that's always a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, when Mama don't touch the bank account, it's a good day. Do you like the pork belly and the Spam added to it?
Good. I like the pork belly.
I call it like a Samoan version of stir-fry rice. Do you want any hot sauce or anything with it?
No.
Oh, I forgot. I also made my wife some little baby egg rolls. They're cute. Maybe I'll try one. She can't eat all 4 of them. I know you can't see it. Yeah, there's like 4 of them. What's that?
It's good.
Oh, the egg roll?
Mm-hmm. It's like almost the size of lumpia.
Oh, yeah. Lumpia, yeah. Lumpia is good. A lot of our Filipino friends we've had make really good homemade lumpia. I'm sure other people do too, but... So did you ever visit Western Samoa or Samoa?
Mm-hmm.
Which island did you go to there?
Western.
But which island? And don't they have different names like
No,
Savai'i and Apia?
I went to Apia.
Oh, Apia.
And then I went to Savai'i.
Oh, which one's better?
Apia is bigger.
Oh, I thought Savali was bigger.
So what is bigger?
I don't know. I've never been there.
I don't think it is.
So, when you so you lived in Western Samoa for a while?
No, I visited.
Oh, visited. Did family live there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, who, your grandparents or aunts or uncles?
Aunts and uncles.
Oh. What's your favorite memory of Western Samoa?
Well, not in Western Samoa, but in Savai'i. That was fun. Running from snakes. That was fun.
Oh, they don't have snakes in Hawaii, but they have snakes in Samoa?
In Savai'i, it was because there was some kind of, I don't think it was a typhoon, but it was flooding really bad in Savai'i. It might have been a hurricane.
And it
I don't know. I don't remember.
Snakes came from Australia or
All
somewhere.
I know is that it was really bad. Really, really, really bad. And there were like snakes everywhere. Where I was, anyway.
That sounds like a scary moment, not a fun moment.
Yeah, but it was fun though, because I've never actually seen a snake up close.
Oh, yeah.
That was fun for me.
So, you have any good memories of any of your grandparents? Were your grandparents still alive when you were little?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah.
And you still have one grandparent alive, right? Your grandfather, your dad's father?
Mm-hmm.
And how old is he now? He's thinking hard.
I don't remember. I think he's...
Isn't he like 90 something?
See, he might be 80 right now.
Oh, okay. And how long did you live in Samoa and American Samoa before you came to the U.S.?
Our baby.
And did you go, I think you went back and forth from America to Samoa, right?
America. And then back to Samoa, yeah. And then to Hawaii.
Why did they send you back to Samoa?
Because my grandma was sick.
Oh. Is that your dad's mom or your mom's mom?
My mom's mom.
Mom's mom. Yeah, I met her mom's mom. She was one of the nicest ladies I've ever met. She was awesome. I'm actually eating a second helping here. Sorry, I'm not on camera. But we're sitting on opposite sides of the table today. I pretty much eat it the same way she does. But I put a little bit of Texas Pete extra hotter hot sauce. As you can see, my wife don't talk a lot when she's eating. She likes to concentrate on the eating.
Okay.
Which I don't blame her.
I enjoy food.
Yeah. It's funny, the one thing my wife doesn't do that I do, whether it's water or beer or milk or soda, I have to drink all the time while I'm eating. My wife can go the whole dinner before she touches, like her fresca here. She'll eat all her food before she even has one drink. It amazes me that she can do that, but she just, she's determined to eat that food first. Now that I'm talking about it, it makes her want to open one. I cursed her. A lot of times, though, she goes through the whole meal without drinking. That's one of her superpowers.
Egg rolls are really good.
Good, I didn't make those. Those were frozen, but thank you anyways. The one thing I didn't make is the best thing. I like the rice, though. It's really good. I love the long green rice with
The best thing was the pork.
There's tons of pork left in the pan. You want some? All right, let me go get some. All right, I'm trying to get some more pork belly. Hold on. I'm not done. Pork belly. More pork belly.
That's good.
Say when. Oh, when. There's more. We'll have this for leftovers. We don't normally have a lot of leftovers when I make something like this, so we definitely save it because it's so good. We like to eat it later as well.
It's great with noodles.
Let's see if I asked my wife a trivia question. How long have we been married?
$27.
That sounds about right. 27 years. Wow, we're almost 30 years old. That makes me feel so old. The best thing I liked about my wife when I first saw her was her long, beautiful hair, her dark, pretty brown eyes, and of course her body. Can you think of one thing you liked about me when you met me?
The first thing I noticed were your eyes. They were the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. I love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
I think I need to shut the camera and make out with my wife now. All right. That's enough for now. I think she's done wrapping up. She needs to go finish the game with my daughter who's waiting for her. Thanks so much for watching. We love all of you. Thanks for supporting us. Double thanks to all our subscribers. Have anything to say?
Bye.
Fa. My wife always said fa. All right. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. If not, peace.
Whatever this she uses. It was mashed gravy.
You ate 3 egg rolls. I only got 1. What's up with that?
I love egg rolls.
Love you, honey.
Love you, honey.